In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change opacity in Clipchamp so you can create clean overlays, subtle effects, and professional-looking edits in just a few clicks. Adjusting opacity, also called transparency, is one of the simplest ways to level up your videos. You can use it to fade clips, blend footage together, create text overlays, or add cinematic effects. I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a new project or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see your timeline at the bottom and the preview window in the center. Now, to change the opacity of something, you first need to select the element you want to adjust. This could be a video clip, an image, a text layer, a graphic, or even an overlay. Simply click on the element directly in the timeline. When it's selected, you'll notice it becomes highlighted. After selecting your element, look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Clipchamp shows all the editing options for the selected item. In that right panel, find and click on the Adjust Colors option. This section contains settings that let you control how your clip looks, including brightness, contrast, saturation, and most importantly for this tutorial, transparency. Once you click on Adjust Colors, scroll if needed until you see the Transparency or Opacity slider. This is the control that determines how visible or see-through your selected element is. Now, simply click and drag the Transparency slider. If you move the slider down, the element becomes more transparent, meaning you'll start to see whatever is underneath it in the timeline. If you move the slider up toward 100%, the element becomes fully visible again. As you adjust the slider, keep an eye on the preview window so you can see the changes in real time. This makes it very easy to fine-tune the exact look you're going for. For example, if you're placing text over a video and want the text background to be subtle, you can lower the opacity slightly so it doesn't overpower the footage. Or if you're layering two video clips on top of each other, reducing the top clip's opacity can create a smooth blended effect. This is especially useful for transitions, creative edits, or watermark-style branding. Another pro tip is to combine transparency adjustments with layering. Make sure the clip you want visible underneath is placed on a lower track in the timeline, and the clip you're adjusting is on a track above it. Opacity effects only work properly when there's something beneath the layer to show through. If at any point you don't like the changes, you can simply drag the slider back to 100% to restore full visibility. It's completely adjustable and non-destructive, so you can experiment as much as you like. And that's it. That's how you change opacity in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Just select your element, go to the right sidebar, click Adjust Colors, and use the Transparency slider to set the exact level you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.